This is Suhaib Ilyas, as known as Remy, and this is video number 8 of my video series, Facebook PHP SDK version 4. In the last video tutorial, we talked about that how we can upload a picture using Facebook latest SDK version 4 using PHP programming language, and that code worked perfectly, so we need to comment it out. Now in this video I'm going to show you that how we can get the profile picture of the logged in user. So let's get started. The code is pretty much the same. We are creating a new instance of the class Facebook request, and the first argument is the same as we used before, the session logged in user, session of the logged in user, and the second one is the method that we're going to use, it's get, and the third argument we are going to use me picture. That's great, and now we need to execute it. Okay, and this picture, we're getting a new variable and request get graph object, we're calling this method. Great. Okay, now we're going to use this print r function to see what we are getting after this. So this code is not going to work. You know why? Because this link actually redirect us to somewhere else, to a new location. For example, we're using graph, and if I type here like this, main picture, is not gonna work because I'm not using any application. I don't have any, valid access token. So right here I have to type my username. As you can see, I get the picture and it's a little bit small. Yeah, and the link is redirected to this link, but we don't need to redirect the link. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go like this picture. We're gonna use first type large to get the larger picture and redirect false. Here we go. We're gonna get this. If we copy this link with this access token, and here we go. That's great. So this is what we are going to use. After picture, we have to type this, type is equal to large, and that's great. I think so. Everything is great. Just save this, upload the picture, upload that was the last tutorial. Now we're gonna upload the file, and then let's go to the application to see if it's working or not. I hope so it's working. Here we go, it's working, and here is the property that we need to get, because that's the picture. So how do we get that? We can simply type here picture and the property that is URL, and the easiest way to do is we also have to call this as array, and that's great. Just save it, uploading, refresh, and we should get the URL then, whole URL. Here we go, that's great. Now that's the URL. Now what we can do, we can echo like image source, and we need to type like this, source picture URL. There we go, like this. It's not gonna work. We have to do it this way. Save it. Okay. Refresh the page, and we should get the picture now as everything is done. There we go, we got the picture. So this is it for this video tutorial. And one more thing, you can, yeah, that's great. We don't need that. If you want that small thing, you can remove that variable from this URL. So, and you have to type like this. That's great. So if you have any question about this video, then please reply to the video.